I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Linking a bank account on Affirm can seem tricky, but it is quite straightforward once you know the steps. Step 1. Open the Affirm app. Download and open the Affirm app on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, you can find it in your app store. Step 2. Sign into your account. Before changing your settings, use the s.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 3. Navigate to payment methods. Once logged in, go to the payment methods section in the app. This is where you can manage your linked accounts. Step 4. Add a new bank account. Select the option to add a new bank account. You'll be prompted to enter your bank details, including your account number and routing number. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your details, Affirm may ask you to verify your bank account. This could involve confirming small deposits made to your account. Check your bank statement for these amounts. Sometimes, the verification deposits can take a couple of days to appear, so be patient. I hope this guide helps you link your bank account easily. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.